vintage box camera, and the Fujifilm Evo. Fujifilm Evo Instax film camera, vintage box camera, and the Fujifilm Evo.
So we're here at Newark Airport. There's our bag. There's our bag that weighs just 50 pounds. So there's our bag. That's what it looks like. And we're here at Newark Airport, where the line is not too crazy yet. That's the eggs. Tria's waiting for her. We made it through security about 30 minutes. So this is the breakfast at Newark Airport. 28 bucks after 5 tries. This is what you get at the airport for $28. 2 eggs, hash browns, and an iced tea. Yeah, just for that one. But you're in the airport, you gotta pay the airport price. So on the flight Newark to San Francisco. And it doesn't look like it's full. So the plane don't look like it's full. We must, after changing mind 3 times, now it's not even full. So inside the restroom of the United Airlines 777. So here I am inside the United Airlines 777-200, flight from Newark to San Francisco. Pretty clean restroom. So far, so good. So I'm here in between flights, San Francisco, Terminal F, waiting for our flight. And it looks like the same plane we came in here from Newark. We're going to Honolulu on. I just ordered a clam chowder, San Francisco style. Enjoy. She don't know what she wants. Every time you turn around, a Pinoy goes by here. Wow, it's a bowl of San Francisco clam chowder with chips. Probably from, who knows where it came from, but whatever. San Francisco clam chowder. So I'm going to have my clam chowder to hold me over for the next 8 hours when I'll be able to eat again. When I get to Honolulu. So we're here in San Francisco, we're eating nachos and clam chowder. Here it is, June 22nd, and it is almost 12 noon Pacific time. We're ready to board our flight to Honolulu. So there it is. There's all the baggage. Alright, so on the flight 300 San Francisco to Honolulu. Alright, so we just arrived in Honolulu. Aloha! 4:30, I think it is. 3 hours then later planned, but we're in Honolulu. Now we're going to baggage claim. We are here at the ride share pickup point so it's Terminal 2, the second level, and we're in Lobby 8, right? What do you have to say? So we're at Lobby 8, Terminal. Alright, so right now we're at Lobby 8, Terminal 2, and we're waiting for our ride share, which is a little extra comfort, a little bit bigger. It's a Toyota like wagon, and it was $49. Right, so we're on our way to the Red Lobster. We have our gift card, and it's an annual tradition to go to Red Lobster. We're gonna try and get the 20 shrimp for 20. Well, you can, 20. Alright, so we're here at Red Lobster for our traditional... one's okay. You want something else? So, this is the shrimp scampi and the garlic shrimp, and it's all you can eat for $20. So, I'm here at the Red Lobster in Honolulu for our traditional first night stay and dining.